Hello everybody, this is Mr. Johnson working on the review for Algebra 2 Trig. The review is 3.1 through 3.3. So done a couple of problems already on some separate videos. I'm going to do number 10 here. So this one, again, obviously it looks different. Instead of having just a 2x plus 3y equals negative 2, you got 2 over x and plus 3 over y. Completely changes these problems. However, there's an easy way around this. Okay, and I gave you a hint, or the homework had a hint on it. Do a little bit of substitution. If we say a equals 1 over x and b equals 1 over y, in that first equation, instead of having 2 over x, think of it as 2 times 1 over x plus 3 times 1 over y equals a negative 2. And you can do the same thinking for the second equation. But if a equals 1 over x, what you have is 2 times a plus 3 times b equal to negative 2. It makes this look like a much more normal problem. So 2a plus 3b equals negative 2. You apply that same logic to the second equation, you get a 4a minus 5b equals 1. Now you can just solve this system for a and b like normal. There is one extra step though, and I'm not going to do this work. You're going to go through and solve for a and b. So let's just say, these are not the answers, but let's just say you get a equals 2 and b equals 3/5. Okay, again, these are not the answers, but there is an extra step because the question is solve this system. So you need to know what x and y are. Let's just say you've done this substitution here, you've solved for a and b. All right, a equals 1 over x. So if a is 2, that means 2 equals 1 over x. That means 2x equals 1, x equals 1/2. You have to do this extra step. The system is, you need, in order, if you're going to solve for that system, you need to be solving for x and for y. Here's what x equals. If b is 3/5 and b equals 1 over y, you've got this. So then 3y would equal 5, y would be 5/3. All right, so for this question, number 10, this is not necessary, but doing this hint certainly makes solving this much easier. You solve this one down here for a and b, you get your answers. Make sure you do the substitution like I did here and here to actually solve for x and y. All right, that's it. I did put all the answers to this review onto my site. I think Mr. Joseph also has them up on his site. You're welcome to go to his site to see him work through some of these same problems. He might be doing some different ones, but it's mjoseph.weebly.com. Have a good night.